Hello friends, I am Sigma Patel here and today I am talking about leadership in project management, Barack Hussein Obama. This is the content of the presentation. Barack Obama. Barack Hussein Obama II, a politician and lawyer, served as the 45th President of America from 2009 to 2017. He was the foremost American and African president in a politician record of USA. Now we are talking about his childhood and education. Barack, Barack Obama was born on 4th August 1961. He was brought by Kenyan parents in Honolulu at Hawaii. He is an excellent basketball player. He was completed his graduation from the Columbia University in 1983. He signed up for Harvard Law School in 1983, become the first black to head Harvard Business Review. Post completing his education, he became a civil rights advocate and taught constitutional law at the University of Chicago Law School in 1992 to 2004. Now we are talking about his political career. While his Illinois project was a water initially that was a concern with the increase the dark skinned audience in 1992. He also worked with a civil rights law organization, Bon Hill England, as a lawyer. Launching his foremost campaigning in 1996 for ministerial office. He chose to compete for the legislature and replaced his state senate at Illinois legislature. He was the first American and African lawyer to be sworn in U.S. Senate in January 2005 and the third black in there since 1980s. Now we are talking about President Obama. Obama hit the headline in 2008 after he indicated and candidates for the Democratic presidential nomination, competing against the former First Lady and New York Senators Hillary Rodham Clinton, winning from John McCain of Republican Party candidate within a 52.9 percentage to 45.7 percentage votes. He swore for beginning the 44th President of United States of America on 20th January 2009 with Joe Biden as the Vice President. With his noticeable work and taking up the grassroots level initiative, US elected him the president for second term in 2012, earning 5 million votes more than his opponent Mitt Romney. Notable decision as a president. Convert operation to kill 1911 terrorist attack mastermind Osama bin Laden. He is the big decision of in his life as the career of the president. Convincing as the Syrian chemical attack as AL asked to take the Russian deal, saving the from direct strike from USA. There are so many most important decision taking while in his president career. Rescuing USA from the great recognition by cutting unemployment rate from to 10 to 4.6 in 6 years. There are most of the important decision for taking for a better future for USA. Now we are talking about recognition and laurel and AACP Chairman, Image Award in 2005 for US Senate election. Award for the Best Spoken Word Album, Grammy Award for his book Dream of My Father, for the in audio book in 2006, and for Decade of Hope audio book in 2008. Daytime Emmy Award for his concession speech in New Hampshire in the year 2008. In 2009, awarded Nobel Peace Prize by Nobel Committee in Norway. Awarded as the Hero of the year 2013 by NME. There are so many awards he gained in his life. Now we are talking about his writings. He began with his pen in 1995 with a book, Dreams from My Father, a story of race and inheritance, given a brief account of his early life in Honolulu and Chicago before joining law school. His second book came out in year 2006, The Audacity of Hope, thought of the reclaiming the American dreams, defined his experience during the 2008 president election. Third book is Of Three I Sign, a letter of my daughter, came out in 2010 as a book for children. A leader for the world. His behalf of conviction and perseverance has led him through various phases in life, majority the president election of 2008. His first campaigning empowered people to talk about the change, making the word synonyms of to him. His risk-taking ability was confirmed with the way his career turned toward the political limelight. He always tough to deliver to methodology to talking about we and not just I. Learning for managers. Further, managers can pick some leadership traits from Mr. Obama, referring to his work for the world's largest economic and international relation, like being sensitive toward a different culture, keeping a cool mind help for better decision, even after uh, tre tremendous pressure and responsibility, you can motive uh, other world better. Stealing some time for fun between work is essential for smooth function. Appeal of his work. Barack Obama is still referred as a Mr. President in my mind because his appreciable work in every field as a president he took at the country, bringing it out of references as soon as he took charges, lifting it up to make the world leader. He succeeded in becoming a further for the country like USA. As a father or a husband, I have always admired Mr. Obama for his love, career, and affection toward his family and loyalty toward in his life. He way of respecting other and their opinion as well as keeping in his dignity and admire at every point of time I show him on camera. The fun-loving former president was also competed at time with his timely funny faces or a reaction, which brought out the childlike nature behind a steam and a mature man who worked tirelessly for 8 years, delivering the best to his country and his people. This is the reference. Thank you guys.